Just because somebody supports you doesn't mean they have to buy your merch.
If I call you my brother, then you my brother. You was part of my struggle.
Boy Juvi back with another video. Today I'm gonna be talking about my experience using Teespring for my merch. I'm gonna talk about from a consumer aspect. I'm gonna talk about from a producer aspect. This video about Teespring is not sponsored. Has nothing to do with money. There's no money involved. This is just my true, honest opinion. And if I do get paid to promote a company, I will let you guys know. It will literally say include paid promotion. I have done that before and I have marked it. First off, I want to say thank you to everyone who's been buying my merch. I'm sorry for the delay. Everything is arriving slow because of the outbreak. My Instagram right now, if you guys want to see orders that came in on my highlights and see the orders that came in and for the people that have submitted pictures to me. From a consumer aspect, and then I'm going to talk about producer as if you want to have your own merch through Teespring. So from a consumer aspect, the quality is on point, like on point. I paid, no, you don't, we'll talk about that. I wanted better material. This is premium cotton. You feel me? Like, I love embroidery. I would have loved if they had that option available, but this right here, the quality is on point. It's perfect. Literally, like, bro, I wouldn't say scared, but you know, first time using something, you don't know how it's gonna come out. I'm really happy with the quality. I'm happy with the color options they offer. You make less profits when you opt for better quality, but at least my supporters are gonna get better clothing. I appreciate everyone who continues to shop with me. I feel like a lot of times people just take merch the wrong way. Just because somebody supports you doesn't mean they have to buy your merch. That's one thing that creators often forget, and then they start taking it personal. That's why I have a lot of respect and a lot of love for the people that are buying it. But at the same time, the people who will never buy my merch, it's all love. It's not mandatory. Buying merch is not a mandatory thing of supporting somebody. It's really nice. Trust me, I appreciate it. All creators appreciate it when their merch is being brought. But it's not something you have to inflict on people, you know? And then from a producer aspect, I have more to say. Just because I'm a producer, I make videos, I'm a businessman, I'm often producing something. First thing I want to let you guys know, if you do want to have your own merch line, you don't need a YouTube channel for it. The number one thing you want to make sure you have in line, you want to make sure you have your logo down. Once you have your logo cemented, that's all you need. I wish that the designing aspect gave you more options. To start off like a basic merch line for a channel, or if you just want to start off with something simple, not getting too crazy, it's nothing to start up. They're not charging you, they're not forcing you to buy inventory and sit on it and hope it sells. Everything is custom made for order. That's one reason the order's taking forever too. You have an outbreak and then on top of that, everything is custom made. They have a dope return policy. I have never had a customer had to use that, but they say they have 100% satisfaction. If it's not to your liking, you return that. They're gonna chop it up with you. They're gonna fix it up for you, you know? Make you a new shirt. I don't know how the process goes. The few orders that have come in, everybody's happy. I want to talk about the pricing. They're very good with the pricing. When you opt for better quality, just know you're gonna cut your profits. It's worth it. It depends on where your mind is at. My mind is I want better quality even if I'm making less. Spend the same amount but then get some whack material. I don't want that. This feels really nice on your body. I also designed a new collection, not a new collection, a new release. Let's call it a release. It's not a whole collection, but two-piece collection, little thing. Says Juvi right here. I'm gonna be sporting that soon. I designed another one that says juvigotti.com. It's a real website. I own that URL. When it comes time to getting paid, I recommend, unless you need the money badly, don't take the money out until you reach a certain, have a goal. Like every $300 profit, you take it out. Every $200, every $100. It depends on how fast you're selling your merch. Don't every little sale, unless the sales is that low and you have to take it out every time because you're just waiting for more. Go ahead and take your money out. I hope I answered all the questions anybody could possibly have. If there's anything I missed, ask me in the comment section below. I appreciate y'all tuning in. I did not want to make this video too long. Hope this video has been really useful from a consumer and a producer aspect. Appreciate all the love and the support. I'm gonna catch you on the next one.